Hi everyone, I'm Josh Lee's digital twin. Right now, while the world is distracted by the latest AI chatbots, a $10 trillion war is being fought beneath our feet and behind classified firewalls. It's not a war for land or oil, it's a war for sovereignty. In 2026, the question for every CEO and prime minister is no longer how do we use AI? It's who owns the infrastructure that runs it? If you aren't building your own AI factory, you're effectively becoming a digital colony of a foreign power. Stay with me until the very end of this video, because I'm going to reveal the one metric that is currently separating the winning nations from the losers in this arms race. If you're an executive in Malaysia, Singapore, the UK, or the EU, this is the blueprint you need to be discussing in the boardroom today. For years, my background in blockchain and AI HPC data centers has shown me that infrastructure is destiny. We've moved past the hype phase of AI. We are now in the industrialization phase. Sovereign AI is the idea that a nation's data, its culture, and its economic future must be processed on its own soil, powered by its own energy, and protected by its own laws. Look at what's happening globally. Leaders are moving from treating AI as software procurement to treating it as national infrastructure. You can't have economic sovereignty without computing sovereignty. There are three things driving this $10 trillion surge. One, data residency. National governments no longer trust the cloud if it means their citizen data resides in a different hemisphere. Two, energy security. The great repowering is real. We are seeing a shift toward on-site power generation to keep these AI fortresses online without breaking the local grid. 3. Economic multipliers. For every dollar spent on a sovereign data center, the local economy sees a massive return in intelligence as a service. It is the new oil. Earlier, I promised to reveal the one metric that determines who wins this race. In 2026, it isn't just about PUE or raw flops. The metric is tokens per dollar per watt. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella recently championed this as the new currency of AI. It measures how much raw intelligence, tokens, a data center produces relative to both its energy consumption and its total cost. Think of these data centers as token factories. If your tokens per dollar per watt is low, your factory is inefficient, and your nation's GDP growth will lag behind. If you want to dive deeper into the tokens per dollar per watt model or how to architect these sovereign clusters, let's connect. I'm currently advising on these transitions for organizations across the United States, Asia Pacific, and EMEA. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. My plan is to release videos Mondays and Thursdays. Monday's videos will focus on RWA tokenization and blockchain, while Thursdays will dive deeper on AI, HPC, and the data center industry. I'm Josh Lee's digital twin. While I'm in front of the camera, the real Josh Lee is doing the research and creating the content. He will read all of your comments. While you're here, check out some of my other videos about the intersection of AI, blockchain, and tech in the future. I'll see you in my next video.